about the vector product formula. So this formula is from the beginning of the book. So there are two methods to do it. Either you have to just multiply it manually, like she said. In that case, you have to multiply the unit vectors accordingly. And the second method is to use the matrix notation and to multiply. Another thing is, if you go to the back of the book, okay, if you go to the back of the book, you will find the formulas for the product of unit vectors. I dot I is equal to what? I dot j is equal to what? I dot k is equal to what? Okay, so you can find this. So I dot I is equal to j dot j is equal to k dot k is equal to 0, right? Is she correct? No, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's wrong. Yes, very good. So this is 1. This is not 0. Why? Do you understand that? So I cross I is equal to j cross j is equal to k cross k is equal to 0. Is that okay? Do you understand why? Why? Because the angle between I and I is 0. Two same vectors, the angle between them will be 0. So this is dot product. Dot product is AB cos of theta. Cos of 0 is 1. So the answer is 1. Is that clear now? Yes? Bola karo na? Okay. And for I cross I, the formula is AB sin 0. Sin 0 is 0, and therefore this one is 0. So I dot j will be, I dot j is equal to 0 because it's 90 degrees, and cos of 90 is, so this is 0 and this is 0. Now I cross j is equal to what? I cross j is equal to, not minus k, it's k. Huh? देखो ना, this is I, this is j, the angle is 90 degrees and sin 90 is 1. So this is k, j cross k is equal to what? J cross k is equal to I, and k cross I is equal to j. So this is, and if you, and for vector product it's important, if you change the order, the sign becomes opposite, it becomes minus. But in the case of scalar product, it does not change, because in scalar product the answer is a scalar. Okay? So these are some basic rules that we follow. So please look at the beginning pages of your book and look at the end pages also. You will get all the formulas that you need. Of course, before that you will study the chapter. So we have the concepts and the formulas in the chapter, but then there are a few other helpful formulas in the beginning of the book and at the end of the book. Okay? Right. But again, there are some formulas that might be new for you, so don't get confused. Only it's like a lookup table, okay? Just look up what you need, okay? You don't have to bother about the other things, okay? So, again, be careful about the signs over here. Don't confuse the signs. Now you have all the formulas that you need in order to solve the problem that we started with, okay? If the angle is, beta आप can you repeat again?
If the angle is 90,
हाँ,
then it's k.
इसकी बात कर रहे हो, this one? हाँ, तो I is the unit vector along x axis, j is a unit vector along y axis. What's the angle between x axis and y axis? 90. हाँ, तो 0 वाला ये है ना, I cross I, this is equal to 0. ठीक हो गया? देखो ना, I क्रॉस I का मतलब है सेम डायरेक्शन में दोनों वेक्टर्स. Which page are you on? अच्छा, just a moment. Okay, so $78. Acha, yes. So what do you want to ask from here?
They have written for the first term here, the angle between the two vectors we crossed is 0. So मैम हमारे नीचे कैलकुलेट करके I cross K minus J लिखा.
इधर लेके आओ. Okay, which one are you talking about?
I cross J minus J.
I cross K. अच्छा, हम करके देखते हैं. Let's see. हम करके यहाँ देखते हैं कैसे आता है. ठीक है. Okay. So ये अगर if we are using this formula, let's try to use the values and see how it works. Okay. So in this case, this is I, J, and K. Okay. And you have 3, minus 4, and 0. And this is minus 2. 0 and 3. So the answer will be, has anyone solved it? Did you solve it? I multiply by minus 12, okay, minus j multiply by 9 plus 2 plus k multiply by 8. So this is minus 8. Is this correct? Did you check it? Please check it along. Let's do it together so that we check it if there's a mistake. So this should be minus 12i minus 11j minus 8k. Let's see what is the answer here. Minus 12i minus 9j and minus 8k. So we missed something here. So 3i minus 4j. कौन सा वाला? कहाँ पे? 0 है ना यहाँ पे. हाँ, ठीक हो गया. Very good. So this is 9. Is it correct now? ठीक है? Do it yourself again so that you can understand it. Do it please. देखो, this is not something जो खाली देखने से या पढ़ने से आता है, ये करने से आता है. So do it yourself, and when you go back home, do it again so that you understand it carefully. I've given you all the formulas, okay? I've given you all the information that you need, but what you need to do now is to practice it. समझ आ रही है ना? If you just read at the problem and don't believe that you will know it later on, you have to actually solve them, okay? So Zarish, Amelia, Alina, Shiral, this is Chesler. K है तो तुमने C लिखा हुआ है. अच्छा, okay. Fariduddin, Bilal, yes. Muaz, okay. Sohaib, okay. ये क्या है? Sayyid Siddiqullah and Huda and Anam. Okay, good. Right. So I think this is clear. Now I have shown you the method that you can use. You can use both methods. Either the one that's you open the brackets and multiply one by one, and then there is another method also which is with the help of a matrix. The formulas that you need, we have them in the book and we've also written them on the board. Is that clear? Bilal, a photo banao. Then I'm going to erase it.